Hey guys! We're going to show you our top 3 tips for how to get your significant other to help more around the house. Whether that be doing the dishes more, or doing the laundry, or even taking the kids while you finish dinner.
Yep, so if you're tired playing chicken with your spouse about who takes out the trash, then stick with us. And please stick with us all the way to the end, because we're not just going to show you our top 3 tips, but we're going to show you the mental barriers and the communication breakdowns that result in you not working together like the team you are. So,
here we go. Okay, let's be honest. This here could potentially be a controversial topic. So we're not saying who should do what around the house, but we are saying that there probably are some areas that either one of you would like some help with.
Exactly. And there could be a gazillion reasons why you're not working together the way that you would like. So we're making the assumption that you're both physically able and that you are on speaking terms with each other. As awesome as we are, we're not marriage counselors.
No, but we are very good at helping people have a calm, stress-free life through good organizing habits. So if that's your thing, then like and subscribe.
Step 1, and there's no way to get around this, you have to talk to each other about the situation.
Yeah, so for example, laundry. I used to do all the laundry in the house. And it wasn't something we ever really agreed on that was my responsibility. It's just somewhere down the line, it just kind of became that. And it didn't change until we finally sat down and I said, we need to figure this out.
Yeah. And here's the thing. Maybe I should have picked up on this before you brought it up, because I know that you don't enjoy doing the laundry as much as, for example, cooking. But I didn't.
No, and I could have waited around forever hoping that you pick up on my little hints or little frustrations along the way. And I think it's very natural for people to do this. But if you want results, you really have to talk about it.
Exactly. So we're almost ready to move on, but there's one last thing that we want to bring up in this context that I think is very important. And that is you have to put yourself into their shoes. Odds are that your significant other is doing a bunch of things around the house to try to accommodate for how you've discussed doing things, or how you want things to be done, or how he or she thinks that you want things to be done. And if you go in guns blazing, then it's not going to end well.
Nope. Number 2 is aligning on how to do things. So when you started helping more with the laundry, I noticed that the first things you do are your own stuff. And then you move on to towels and sheets and the socks. All things that are easier for you to do.
Yeah, and it's not because I don't want to contribute with the rest of the laundry, but let me explain what I think is going on here. When you're doing stuff that you're familiar with, your brain is driving down a highway. It's easy, you just drive. But when you start learning a new skill or figuring out how to do certain chores around the house, then it's like a country road. And there are turns and the road is narrow and you don't know what's around the corner. And that's just what's happening. I mean, I'm trying to figure out, okay, what do I do with these skirts? Do I hang them up? Do I roll them? Do I fold them? Do I just bunch them together? Probably not. But, and that's the point. If I can do it automatically, then I'll do it. But if it's more difficult for me to figure out what to do, then there's a mental barrier there.
Yeah, and the solution is that you need to massage your significant other. Not literally, although that never hurts. But you need to go over it a few times. You need to keep working at it. Work on how do I fold this or how do I hang this properly. If it be laundry, or it could be something completely different.
Absolutely. Number 3, you need to assign things at home within your household. So I used to loathe emptying the dishwasher because I didn't know where stuff belonged. Yes, I could put away the plates and glasses, but I'd end up with a spatula or a whisk that I didn't know where to put. Now, switching gears a little bit, a couple of years ago, we went through the kitchen, decluttered the whole thing, and reassigned all of our kitchen utensils a home. And now we can find stuff, which is good, but as an unexpected byproduct, we kind of realized that I'm a lot better now at emptying the dishwasher. And I just do it automatically because I know where everything belongs.
And you need to do the same thing. Assign everything a home, and you have to do it together. That's the only way that you're both going to own the outcome. Declutter along the way. There's a link below to a video where we do exactly that. And if you want to make it really easy on yourself, then we have an ultimate organizing roadmap that will lead you every step of the way in your organizing efforts. You can get that by clicking the link below and signing up for our mailing list.
Absolutely. We hope you've enjoyed following us along. And we have a challenge for you. And that is for you to share in the comments below what are some of the areas where you and your significant other collaborate well in your day-to-day life. So share that, please. We'd love to read it. We'll reply to every comment. Toodles. Bye-bye. Can't remember who's starting. I'm starting.
I think you're starting.
Okay, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh. This could potentially be a controversial topic. So, we're not... Did you go in there?